For example, aggregate kasi yon, iba-ibang mga customers yung bumili na sa atin on that day. So, yung ilalagay natin dito is just various customers. So, yung date, that was January 15, 2025. And then, of course, yung TIN, wala naman tayong details ng kanilang TIN, ng business address, and halo-halo din yon. So, we can leave it blank na lang. Leave it as it is. Ayan. So, sa item description naman natin, again, various yun. Iba-iba yung binili nila. So, we can just put it here, various coffee, cake, and sandwich. Yan. In our example, yung hindi pa natin na-invoicean is 11,850. So, ito yung ilalagay natin sa ating invoice. 11,850. So, ito, total amount due is 11,850. And signature ng cashier or authorized representative